In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.2, question number 1, part number 8. So we have a question, f of y means function of y is equal to integral of square root of y, under root of y, or into y plus 1 whole divided by y dy. Right, this question is same as we did part number 7, but a little bit different because here we have to multiply under root y with y plus 1 as well, so no problem. So see, we will multiply y under root y plus under root y and then divided by y dy. So far we have discussed 7 questions. In 7 questions, instead of f of y means function of y, we had f of x, but do not worry, you should actually know the process. If you know how to solve the problem very well, instead of y you can write down x, y, z, st, whatever. The process is same, right? So okay, in the next step, this is two terms, so individually you have to divide each term with y, as we have discussed in the last question, part number 7, this one, and dy. So see, this will cross each other. Only in the numerator we have under root y plus under root y and then y by dy. So next step, we will remove this radical sign. So if we will remove the radical sign, it will be equal to y raised to power 1 over 2 plus same thing 1 over 2, but in denominator we have y which has a power 1. When we will take this exponent in the numerator, it will be negative 1 by dy, which is equal to y1 over y plus y negative 1 over y dy. Now we have two terms and we will do the integration individually. Y1 over y dy plus integral of y1 over y dy. See how we will remove this integral sign by adding increment 1 over 2 plus 1. Whatever exponent you have to add one more. So the same thing, right? 1 over 2 plus 1 is our new power or new exponent. So you have to write down in the denominator as well. Same thing, the exponent is negative 1 over 2. You have to add 1. Our new exponent is 1 over 2 plus 1. You have to write down in the denominator. Plus c, constant of integration. When we will remove this symbol, you have to add constant of integration. So here it is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus this y raised to power 1 over 2, 1 over 2 plus c, right? So this is the double reciprocal. It will be 2 over 3. I will write down here answer. It will be equal to 2 over 3 y raised to power 3 over 2 plus 2y 1 over 2 plus constant of integration, and this is the answer. One more time I will explain to you what we did and what is the difference between this part number 8 and part number 7. In part number 7 we do not had here anything. We had only this expression divided by, I think, under root x or whatever, but here we have under root y as well. It means first we have to multiply this under root y with individually what we have inside the parenthesis, and then we have to solve the same steps, right? This y means this y, you have to divide individually each terms with this y. And how we have to remove this integral sign? By adding 1, right? When we will add 1 in this step, we have to add constant of integration. But still, if any point is not clear, without any hesitation you can ask me, but please subscribe to my channel as well, Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.